What if your morning coffee could be transformed into something far more powerful? Imagine starting your day not just awake, but truly revitalized body and mind in sync, energy that lasts and a deep sense of nourishment. For centuries, people have turned to coffee for a simple energy lift. But modern science is uncovering a secret that makes your daily ritual profoundly different. It's not just about caffeine anymore, it's about activation. Recent research reveals that by blending certain natural, everyday powders into your brew, you can unlock benefits that coffee alone simply can't provide. We're talking about turning your ordinary cup into a targeted wellness elixir, something that works with your biology, not just against fatigue. This isn't about a slight tweak. Published clinical trials indicate these additions can dramatically boost antioxidant levels, help manage blood sugar spikes, fortify your gut lining, calm systemic inflammation, sharpen cognitive function, and even accelerate metabolic rate. This is a holistic upgrade. And here's what's fascinating. This wisdom isn't new. The healthiest cultures globally have historically infused their hot drinks with these very substances. They understood the power of synergy long before modern labs proved it. But what stunned scientists was a unique interaction. Specific powders don't just mix with coffee. They chemically combine with its compounds to create novel, bioactive molecules. These new molecules only exist when both are consumed together. It's a conversation between ingredients that creates something greater than the sum of its parts. Think of it as a synergy that forges a new health agent right in your cup. The data is compelling. Brain imaging reveals a surge in circulation within minutes. Glucose monitors display steadier energy curves. Key stress and inflammation markers drop. You feel the difference. Most intriguingly, one particular powder appears to activate a master longevity pathway in the body. The results were so strong, the studies were triple-checked. Each time, the outcome was clear. While coffee is good, especially for mature adults. So what are these 4 powerful powders? 4. Pure, raw cacao. This powder is loaded with flavonols that promote healthy circulation and cognitive support. When you add it to coffee, theobromine, a gentler, longer-lasting stimulant found in cacao, can smooth the caffeine's edge, leading to more sustained vitality without the harsh drop-off. It's also rich in epicatechin, a compound shown to support BDNF, which is crucial for memory and learning. How should you use it? Opt for raw, organic cacao. Let your coffee cool slightly, then mix in 1 teaspoon. It's like drinking a warm, focused bliss. 3. Extracted lion's mane mushroom. This functional fungus is renowned in neuroscience for supporting brain cell renewal. It contains compounds that stimulate nerve growth factor, which is essential for maintaining cognitive agility, focus, and clarity as we age. Think of it as gentle nourishment for your neural networks. Coffee may actually help by delivering these compounds more efficiently to your brain. And aim for 500 to 1,000 milligrams. It's the perfect partner for mental work. 2. Creatine monohydrate. You know creatine for muscles, but your brain is a huge energy consumer. It burns ATP for focus and memory. Creatine helps rapidly replenish this mental fuel. Studies link it to better working memory and reduced mental fatigue, particularly during stress or long hours. Coffee might even improve its uptake into brain tissue. Prepare for unwavering concentration. 1. Glycine. This simple amino acid is a multi-tool for wellness. Research highlights its role in deepening sleep quality, improving metabolic flexibility, reducing oxidative damage, and supporting cellular energy production. It helps your body recover and rebuild, starting from the inside. It also promotes a calm, clear-minded focus, perfectly balancing caffeine's buzz. How to use it? Add 3 to 5 grams to your hot coffee and stir. It's safe for daily use. You get the alertness without the anxiety, a serene and steady state. You don't need all 4. Choosing just one can meaningfully upgrade your coffee's impact. This is about personalizing your power ritual. But tell me in the comments, which of these 4 are you most excited to try first? We read every response here at Healthy Lifestyle. Before you go, if you found this valuable, please hit the like button. It truly helps our channel grow. Share this with someone who needs a better morning. Thanks for watching Healthy Lifestyle. Here's to transforming your daily cup.